Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss the second part of experiment number 8, that is alternative fuels for IC engines. Subject applied thermodynamics, second year mechanical engineering. So in the last video we have gone through what are the different alternative fuels for IC engines, and we have discussed the advantages and disadvantages of those. Now today we are going to start with the alcohols, and in alcohols we are going to start with methanol as a alternative fuel for IC engine. So now what is methanol? Methanol is basically C2H5OH, and it can be derived from various sources. So basically uh, methanol, pure methanol is a mixture in mixture with gasoline in various percentages, is extensively used for applications as a fuel for SI engines. For example, the mixture called as M85 and M10. So in case of M85, 85% of methanol is there and 15% of gasoline is present. And in case of 10 M10, that is methanol 10% and gasoline 90%. Such blended fuels are used for SI engines. Now, what are the advantages of methanol? Now, first is methanol can be obtained from various resources, that is fossil resources, renewable resources, coal, petroleum, natural gas, biomass, and many other resources. So, it can be produced from various resources. Now, emissions from engines using M10 fuel is about same as that using gasoline. So, if you see M10 blended fuel does not have or is having considerably similar kind of emission as that of gasoline engines. Now, M85 fuel has a measurable decrease in HC, that is hydrocarbon CO exhaust emission, and but there is a slight increase in NOx emissions and formaldehyde emissions. So this is somewhat a what we can say a drawback because it increases the NOx emissions. Now, what are the disadvantages of methanol? However, any sources that requires extensive manufacturing and processing, it increases the price of the fuel. Because it requires a lot of processes for manufacturing of methanol, it increases the cost. One problem of gasoline alcohol mixture is the fuel has the tendency to combine uh, with any water present, and that helps ethanol to combine or dissolve in water properly. So if some moisture content is present, it absorbs, ethanol will absorb, and it will impact the performance of the engine. Now next, methanol cannot be used in CI engines because it is having high octane rating. So high octane rating fuels cannot be implemented for diesel engines. So that is one of the drawback of this methanol. Now let us go to ethanol. Now ethanol can be made from various resources such as corn, beet, sugar cane, and even glucose. That is wood pulp, what we can say. Now, gasohol. Gasohol means is a mixture of 90% gasoline and 10% ethanol. It is widely used as a blended fuel and fuel in a IC engine, that is the SI engines. Two mixture combinations of E85, that is ethanol 85, and E10, that is E85 is basically alcohol by 15% and 85% of gasoline by volume basis. Now E10 reduces the use of gasoline with modifications needed in the automobile engines. So these are some characteristics of ethanol, and it can be used as a fuel in SI engines. Now the present cost of ethanol is higher because of its manufacturing and processing costs or the processing required for ethanol is quite higher. So currently the cost of ethanol is slightly higher. Next alternative fuel is the natural gas. Now natural gas is a mixture of mainly 60 to 98% of methane, that is CH4. Methane is a clean fuel, and natural gas has the main content of natural gas is methane, that is CH4, in the range of 60 to 98%. It is stored in the compressed natural gas, what we also called as CNG, having the pressure of 16 to 25 pascals, or in liquefied natural gas, that is in liquid form, at a pressure of 70 to 210 kilopascals, and at a temperature of minus 160 degrees Celsius. As a fuel, it works best in engine system, a single throttle body fuel injector, and it gives a longer mixing time which is needed for the fuel. So it is a very good fuel for SI engines because it is having high octane rating. Next, we will discuss about the advantages of natural gas. The first advantage is it is having a high octane number of 120, which makes it a very good fuel for SI engines, and we can also implement higher compression ratios because it is having anti-knocking characteristics, and compression ratio can be as high as 12.5 as to 1 because you are having a very good octane characteristics. Next, low emissions, less for aldehyde than methanol. Now why emissions are less? Because it is CH4, it is not a carbon chain like in petrol and diesel, and CH4 there is only one carbon, and methane is generally considered as a clean fuel, and so emissions are very less. And the next advantage is it is abundantly available across the globe in most of the countries, and the processing cost is very less, and that is the reason why it is called as a very clean and green fuel. Now disadvantages. Now the disadvantage is what? It is having a low density. Density is low. That is the low energy density resulting in the low or engine performance. It slightly impacts the engine performance because of the density of the fuel. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.